Hi, welcome to a quick update video for Tyrell Cloud and ConnectStream. We're going to show you a very useful update to the platform which gives users much greater flexibility in scheduling when your ConnectStream resources are active, right down to individual stream channels. Unlike Workstation, KVM brokering and storage services on Tyrell Cloud, Stream Connect is our front end to a serverless platform, which up till now has meant it was unavailable to schedule via our web interface. But with this update, it's now fully integrated into Tyrell Cloud Scheduler. Let's start by clicking into the project selection window on Tyrell Cloud, where you can create a new project or select any of your existing projects. Today, we're going to select my cloud editing demo project. Tyrell Cloud projects have a hierarchy of two schedules. We call these the project and the deployment schedules. The overarching one is the project schedule, which I can use to turn on every deployment in my project. This lets me set a baseline of when I want my project to be on and active. As a demo project, this one is effectively parked. We can see all the deployments here are currently scheduled to be off all the time, so I'm not running up any unnecessary costs. And as a quick reminder of how we work with ConnectStream, let's click the Actions button within the user interface to jump into the ConnectStream application. This allows us to manage all of our deployed input streams as part of that ConnectStream deployment. We can see the various ingest streams that have been deployed, and we can select one of these to reveal its settings. That allows us to tailor source IP values, latency values, as well as obtain the fully formed SRT URL for us to stream into our VPC. If we jump back to the dashboard of the project, selecting the ConnectStream deployment, under the Actions menu, we've added a new item called Schedule. If we select this Schedule menu item, it's going to take us to our deployment scheduler. This is the second tier in our scheduling hierarchy, and this can override our baseline project schedule I mentioned earlier. Now, by default, any new ConnectStream deployment has its scheduler set to override off, which means it's going to remain off regardless of the project schedule. So if we want to work with it, then we need to change this always off setting. I could just click always on. Now, all 168 hours of the week have their status changed to override on, which means these ConnectStream deployments and ingest channels would always be on, which, unless we're covering an election or republishing a linear channel, it's not likely what we want. So to get more granular, I can simply press clear. Everything here now turns plain grey, which means we're following our project schedule, which for things like edit storage is likely what we want. But for ingest streams, I can probably be a bit more frugal and use an override on just to light this up when I want it. In this case, let's say for 3 hours. Once you've made your changes, all you need to do is check the box to agree that you understand this may affect your billing total, and then save schedule. As simple as that. And if you want to independently control any of the ingest streams with their own schedule, you can switch to a resource schedule mode, and that's going to reveal independent schedule panels, one per deployed ingest stream. So there you have it. Granular, automated control of your SRT stream management on Tyrell Cloud ConnectStream. Many thanks for watching.